All right, today we're going to bring a 7-in-1 USB adapter Type C. And if you guys notice, let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit more so you guys can see a little bit. So on the adapter, you got a Type C, you got an HDMI, and then you got two 3.0 and another Type C at the end. And then further in the back, you got a micro SD card and a regular SD card. And that's pretty much it. And it only takes one connection, one Type C connection. So we're going to put this to use and see how well it works and see if all these devices actually work well. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, we just connected the HDMI directly to a monitor, right? And I know I have a long cable. That's the only cable I have right now. But we're going to actually connect a couple other devices. USB here, another USB here. So you have plenty of spaces. Plus, you have two USB Type Cs. And then in the back, we actually have an SD card. One SD card. Then we do have a micro SD card that we're going to do. We could connect every single one of them, but to the micro SD card and the regular SD card. And we have all these connections. And at the same time, we're running a video through the HDMI direction, if you guys can see that. So let's go ahead and minimize and see how we can read the actual cards. So let's go ahead and do that. And then see how many devices we can pick up. And they picked up all the devices. You guys can see on the monitor here on this side, it picked up every single device. And I'm going to see the Kodak one. And we do have pictures that are old. This SD card is a little old. So I'm going to open it up. And it's an SD card that I was able to read out of it. It's an old card that when my firstborn was born, and then we ended up finding it. So I was able to recover through here. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.